In the case of Karen, she felt that her hand was grinded continuously and it was frozen and in a very awkward position. And what happened after she received the new prosthesis is that she was able to use the same or somewhat the same neural resources that she used to control her biological hand, now to control the artificial hand. And in that way, release the phantom. So she's able to move the phantom and use those neurons to control the prosthesis rather than borrowing them to process pain. So we have a better integration, and we can have reliable and intuitive control of some movements of the hand, but not all of them. So we cannot replicate the full dexterity of a human hand and the strength. So there is still a lot of work to do on the control side, and also on the sensations. The sensations the patient feel are very rough. They're not near that of a human experience of touch.